Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting planned for you guys. We are going to be going to a live reggae show and we are going to be interviewing the bands. One of the main reasons why I am traveling Jamaica is to experience the culture and immerse myself amongst the locals, right? We all want to learn, we all want to hear new perspectives, we want to hear the different music, see the different food, right? So Jamaica, a big part of Jamaica is their music culture, is the reggae, is the dance hall, is everything. And today we're going to be focused on a reggae music artist here in Negril, and I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to go feel the vibes out, we're going to talk to some locals, we're going to interview the bands, and yeah, so I will see you guys there. Ciao. Alright guys, so here we are, we're going on an adventure. I'm so excited for this. I know that it might be a little bit of a problem with me not being able to show music and stuff, but at least we can talk to the music artists and kind of just see what their inspiration is and stuff. So by now you guys know that I have a little bit of a walk down the hill. So that is what we're doing right now. We're walking.
And so big up to the wall. I'm Iyakasha, along with Tomorrow Buns, and later we have a talk, right?
Alright.
So, take your pictures. So.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Along with Tomorrow Buns, we say, look for fake, you know? Yeah, and thank you for coming. Yeah. I will say big up Jacqueline in the house.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It's really nice having you down.
Alright.
And this is our band called Stigo. It's on the keyboard. Stigo and BSC. That's Skibo. Yeah, he's BSC for Tomorrow Buns.
Nice guitar.
Oh yeah, old friend, you know. Friend that does.
Yeah, man.
And over there on drums is Banga.
Hello.
He's from Jamaica, but he's from Pakistan too.
It's from
Pakistan.
Oh, 100% Jamaican. Yeah, 100.
Yeah, and he's Iyakasha. Yeah. And this is what we call tomorrow. Big up yourself, Richard. Yeah, this is what we call tomorrow.
Alright,
and
man.
It's really nice to have you. And yeah.
Alright guys, so like I was saying, the lighting is not the best here, but it's not the best here unfortunately because it is nighttime and I couldn't film like during the show because, you know, music and copyright and things like that, and I don't want to get this video taken down, but that's okay. We're still interviewing these beautiful people and getting their perspective on just music and Jamaica and the culture and what makes Jamaica, you know? Alright, so that's my mission here. My mission is to yeah man. From 3 to 7 come to Mi Yaad in the West End in Negril. Alright, hey guys, so I am here with
Iyakasha.
Alright.
Here with Jacqueline.
Yeah man, Jacqueline, Rising Serpentina.
I don't really say, like, really like to sing, you know. But it just happened that I woke up singing, you know, so I just started singing, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So because of that, I just continue, and this is where we reach, you know, like over the years, you know. It's not just today, you know. Yeah. And I actually create this stage for the purpose of us to play. This stage, you know, I made it.
The stage.
Yeah, it's made by me, you know. Yeah, so I said for us to play, and play original music. We have to have a stage because in this town here, them only believe in cover version. You understand me? And I don't believe in a cover version because if I did cover version, you don't have no music in our world. Everybody I just want to sing the same song. You understand me? So I write my own composition. I write my own composition because I don't stop writing.
Yeah.
And that's what we practice on stage here.
Yeah, man. So what inspires your like music? Like what you write? What inspires it?
Well, I kind of write more like, you know, rebellious lyrics and, you know, inspiring music.
That's good.
And educational music, you know, can enlighten people.
Enlighten people.
Yeah.
All right. So I want to ask you a little bit about like. So would you consider yourself a Rastaman?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
Rasta from birth.
All right.
Yeah.
So a lot of people want to know kind of about like what does that mean to you? What is being a Rasta to you?
Being a Rasta mean, you know, eternity. Mean, you know, yeah, dwelling a creation. You know, I don't live. When we reach Rasta stage, I start dwelling in a aeration. You know, so that's what Rasta is. When I reach to the stage of dwellance, you know, you became a dwellant of Jah creation, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And that's Rasta.
All right. Beautiful. And did you have any musical inspirations growing up?
Yeah, because when I grew up as a little youth and I view the world and I listen to the things them, you know, around here as a third world country as them might claim. It's like, what's so mystical? Nothing too mystical in the world. On music it sound like mystical because you know how they have vice and vinyls, you know, with Negril play and you can hear the actual vocal. I'm like, what's the mystery about that? I would really like that. You know, that's my fascination. That was my first fascination about music. Like, oh, how do I really get this to play? You know, that was like so fascinating because back then we usually play vinyls. You know? My mom, she came with one record changer. Somewhere use, you know, put on vinyls and use needle and put on like here. Tune and play. I'm like, what? So mystical, or you know, we're like feeling another mystery there, you know. Until I grew up, and you know, just for some reason, I just kind of gravitate to music. I record the first tune when I was about 19 years old. But before that, I sing and sound, which like just singing, you know, to be like just a do a thing, you know. Really don't think about it today. We like, you know, just you know, but at the same time, back then, you know, like just do things and go through, but it's still in me, you know. Sometimes I try to be away from the music, like not sure. I have enough. I even tried to play guitar before. I'm like, why guitar so noisy in my ears, you know? I think I gotta reach now with that guitar. Just put up guitar. And just surprisingly to know, after a while, you know, just like one of my friends said, oh, you know, long years after, you know, one of my friends said, you know what, I have something for you. And I'm like, I wonder what she could have. And then she said, oh, come to my hotel. I have a guitar. And I'm like, oh my God, a guitar. Something that I don't even think that this guitar can ever bring nowhere, right? And I said, well, I'm getting a guitar for a present. That simply means that something about me and guitar, I have to learn to play guitar. So, you know, I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm happy I took my guitar and have it. And I started practicing. Eventually, from what I was learning, I said, boy, them things sound like a madhouse in my ears, you know, like the guitar that go work. So anyway, after all those years of banging up guitars and came on to that now. And I got this guitar, started to practice. And then I'm like, oh, but I could actually play. I just need guidance, like somebody to show me, you know, the movements and blah blah. I'm a boy up in the hill. He play guitar on the beach. So I'm like, I'm going to check him. And I went and check him and say, yo, show me some movements and how to play a tune, you know? And my boy showed me how to play a tune. And I'm like, cool. I start to play a tune and the guitar sound great. And I say, yeah. From there, so I start playing guitar, you know, but you know, still have a lot more to go, you know, but now I have my guitar and I love it, you know, it's like cool.
That's beautiful.
I just play guitar.
All right. Yeah. All right. So, what you have you have music out, right?
Yeah, man, we have an album named Soul Music and one called Liberation.
All right. All right, and it's on YouTube, right?
Yeah, you can go on CD Baby and iTunes. I used to be on Spotify, but for some reason, they did kind of take the one album for whatever reason. Forget, probably it would be CD Baby put it up there, but I forgot. So
all right, man.
But CD Baby is supposed to still have those albums.
All right,
you
man.
can tune into iTunes and CD Baby.
All right.
And I have a video on YouTube. Title Iyakasha, my people. Yeah.
I'll put it in the link below, guys. I'll put it there so you guys can check it out and support him. Yeah, go over there, listen to his music. He's great. It's a wonderful, great vibration, great frequency.
Yeah. We've been playing now since probably about 7 months, 6 months probably.
Alright.
You know, basically said we played about a year or something, but we only play once per week, you know. So we play 4 times per month.
Alright,
so man. We've been here actually 1 year and a half, so I think.
Alright. Alright. Is there anything else that you want to say? Any words of wisdom for the people?
Yeah, man, because you see, Jamaica is Rasta. Rasta make Jamaica. Honestly. A whole heap of people them don't even know that, but the Prime Minister know. And the rest of the world know that. But Jamaican people them fail to accept truth, you know. And that's the problem that we have now in Jamaica, you know. It's the truth into their eyes, they're afraid of them, you know. They're afraid of the truth. Yeah, but I ain't here if you just tell them the truth. Say Rasta. Rasta make Jamaica. Rasta make Jamaica here. Rasta live Jamaica. Rasta civilize Jamaica. Rasta light up Jamaica. You don't see it? Yeah. Africa, I and I be.
Alright.
Africa, I and I are rich. I would say big up Africa and big up to the world. Yeah. I love reggae music. Rasta. Jamaica, Rasta, met the world.
Alright, man. Big up, big up. Yeah. And what was your name again? One more time.
Iyakasha.
Iyakasha.
Yeah, Iyakasha.
Alright, thank you so much. Yeah, I enjoyed the show. Thank you.
Yeah, man, you're welcome. I'm really happy to have you.
Yes, you know, I'm so really grateful to be here.
Jacqueline, happy to have you, man.
Jacqueline. Alright.
Unexpected guests.
Right? Unexpected. Yeah, I just show up.
Right. So we planned this.
No.
Right. This is right on the spot. And you know, check out my video and you can check us out. You know, we here every Monday.
Yes.
Every Monday we here. We play original music.
Yeah, man.
We believe in that.
Alright.
Because the king did do that, you know. King of Reggae, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh.
Yes.
And we think about even Whitney Houston and enough other artists, them came up with their original music. And so it's like, yeah, can write your own composition. So I write my own composition.
Alright, yeah man, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Respect.